Ever tried to make one small change to a PDF only to discover that you need another app just to edit it? Then you need to a different tool to convert it, another one to sign it, and maybe another one to compress it. What if you could handle many of those tasks from one browser-based platform? This is Zendoc, an online document platform designed to bring a wide range of PDF and document tools into one place. Instead of downloading separate software for every small task, you can upload your file directly in your browser and work with it online. From editing and signing PDFs to converting documents, managing pages, filling forms, and using AI-powered productivity tools, Zendoc puts a lot of functionality into one platform. So, in this video, let's take a closer look at what it actually offers and how the workflows work. Before we continue, keep in mind that this video is for informational purpose. Features, pricing, availability, and terms can change over time. So always check the official Zendoc website for the latest information before creating an account or subscribing. So what exactly is Zendoc? At its core, it's a browser-based platform for working with PDFs and other common document formats. The platform supports tools for converting PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PNG, JPG, and Markdown files. And it also works in the opposite direction, allowing formats such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PNG, JPG, and Markdowns to be converted into PDF. There are also tools for HEIC image conversion, OCR, PDF editing, signing, compression, merging, splitting, protection, and more. That means the platform is not focused on just one PDF task. It's designed as a broader document toolkit. One of the simplest part of Zendoc is the basic workflow. It starts with 3 steps. First, upload your document. You can drag and drop a file onto the page or browse on your own device. Second, make your changes depending on the tool you are using. That could mean editing text, signing a document, filling a form, changing pages, or converting the file. And third, download or share the finished document in the format you need. The idea is straightforward. Upload the file, work on it, and get the finished version without moving between multiple applications. Now, let's look at the editing side. Zendoc allows you to edit PDF content directly in the browser, including text and images. So, if you notice a typo in a document, you can make a correction instead of rebuilding the entire file. You can also add text, fill PDF forms, sign documents, highlight important information, and leave comment or sticky notes. Page management is another useful part of the toolkit. You can delete unwanted pages, rotate pages, reorder them, or insert additional pages when needed. And if you are working with other people, highlights and comments can make it easier to point out exactly what needs attention. But editing is only one part of the platform. Zendoc also includes a large collection of the conversion tools. For example, you can convert a PDF into an editable Word document, an Excel file, a PowerPoint presentation, or image format such as JPG and PNG. There is also a PDF to Markdown conversion. And if you need to go in the other direction, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, and Markdown can be converted back into PDF. For images, Zendoc also provides HEIC to JPG and HEIC to PNG conversion. There are compression tools too, including option for compressing PDF's images. Zendoc also goes beyond standard PDF editing. If you have scanned document or images containing text, the platform includes OCR-related tools such as scan to text and image to text. There are also document templates and forms for different needs. The provide library includes examples such as W4, W9, and I9 forms, along with the documents like residential lease agreement, bills for sale, and recommendation letter. And on the productivity side, Zendoc lists tools for transcript, AI humanization, and PDF translation. So, depending on what you are working on, the platform can cover much more than basic PDF editing. When document contains context, forms, or personal information, security and access are important consideration. According to the information provided by Zendoc, the platform uses HTTP encryption to help protect files during transit. It also includes browser-based tools for protecting documents with password and adding watermarks. And other practical advantage is accessibility. flexibility because Zendo works online. You don't need to install desktop software to start using the platform. The website also states that your work can be accessed across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices, helping you continue your workflow from different devices. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Zendoc information provided for this video lists a 7-day introductory trial at Rs 299. After that, the listed subscription price is Rs 8,982 every 28 days with automatic renewal unless cancelled. The site also notes that prices may be vary depending on your country and current promotions. So, before starting a trial, make sure you check the current price, renewal amount, billing period, and cancellation terms shown at checkout. The platform also advertises unlimited access to its PDF editing, conversion, signing, and document management tools during the subscription. So, what's the overall takeaway? The biggest advantage of Zendoc is the range of tools available from one browser-based platform. Instead of using separate services for editing, conversion, signing, OCR, compression forms, and other document tasks, you can access many of these tools from the same ecosystem. The main thing to keep in mind in the subscription cost after the introductory trial, along with any limitation or terms that may apply to your account and location. And one final reminder, this video is intended for informational purpose. Zendo features, prices, terms, and availability can change. So always review the official website and current checkout information before making a subscription decision. Overall, if you regularly work with PDFs and want editing, conversion, signing, page management, forms, and additional productivity tools in one browser-based workspace, Zendoc is currently worth exploring. You can find the Zendoc link in the description below and check the latest features and pricing for yourself. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, share it with someone who works the document, and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos and software, AI tools, and digital forms. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video.